Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Shein's referral codes. Now, if you want to use referral codes that you've gotten for Shein for your shopping, this is a very quick video that we are going to show you how to use it. So, for example, let's just let's search for a random shirt. Let's just use this one, right? And let's tap add to cart, and let's just choose, like maybe this, who knows? It looks cool. Click add to cart again, choose size, let's go large, and then add to cart. Right now we are in our cart, right? And tap on the cart here on the upper right corner, and then tap on checkout like this. And here you're gonna have some options that you could use to pay for your stuff. Now scroll down a bit until you see apply voucher. Tap on that. So vouchers and referral codes are the same thing. So you just type the voucher that you have, the code, and after that just tap apply, and you'll be able to use your voucher for your purchase on Shein. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.